Okay, so I've spread the paint, and that was the Artist Loft, 2 parts paint to 1 part Floetrol. So that's all you have to remember. And spread it out, and it'll pretty much even level itself out. Now the colors that I chose are a little bit different for me now. Something a little bit out of my comfort zone. I used to use these quite a bit, but I haven't in a long time. It is this beautiful purple color. It was actually a request from someone who watches my videos. So I thought I'd give it a try since I really love purple. So it's going to be very bold. So that goes across here. Then I have this copper that was mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and same with this copper. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then this water is, or this gold is mixed with water, no Floetrol. And I love this color. It is stunning. I think I might have a bit too much. I hope it'll work out. Let's see what happens. Quite beautiful. I really love it. I'm not sure that I should have done that, but wow, that is beautiful. So vibrant. That is stunning. Yay, I love it. Wow. Here it is. Wow. It is so beautiful. Look at the cells. It is quite stunning. This has to dry, and I will show you up close probably tomorrow. But there's that softness and then the bold color as well. And then the negative, which looks really beautiful. A little bit different for me, but I do love it. It is gorgeous.